I'm here to show y'all a couple upper back mobility exercises with the foam roller. So, all you need is a foam roller, possibly a 2-liter soda bottle. As long as it's still sealed, it can work similar. You just have to be careful with it. Okay. So the first is for thoracic extension. You're going to put foam roller perpendicular to your spine. You're going to want it to be on your upper back. You don't want to go too low to your lower back. You want it to be about at your shoulder blades and above. So what you're going to do is actually support your head. Focus on kind of a sit-up motion, but you really want to focus on not letting your back arch. Try to keep your core neutral, but bring your upper back towards the ground, just like this. And then you can slowly work your way up. Really focus on bringing your head towards the ground, flattening out your upper back. It should feel really nice after sitting for a long period of time, working at a desk, or even if you have to have your head forward. Okay. And then another one, your upper back, you can work on your lats. So one way to do this is just to have your lat right here on the foam roller and just work around till you find any tender spots. You might notice if you're doing any type of pull-ups or anything like that, the next day this might be pretty tender. You can kind of just try to find a spot that's tender. You don't want it to be so painful that you like clench up and it hurts a lot. You want to find something that's going to be like a 6 out of 10, something that if you just sit there for a couple moments, it'll start to kind of relax a little bit. So just find a couple spots and sit there. And then you'll just do the other side. And then after doing the thoracic spine exercise for your upper back, this can be really nice for your T-spine as well. If you place a foam roller parallel with your body, you can actually put your hand on top of it and focus on pushing your arm through. This will focus on rotation of your upper back. You also notice you might feel a decent stretch in between your shoulder blades. You really want to focus on rotating with your upper back here, not as much through your lower back. You want to keep that neutral. So you can do this without a foam roller. You'll notice when you're using the foam roller, you can actually move your hand further through. And then you do the same thing on the other side. And then for the last thing, this will open up your chest a little bit, just to help your posture. So actually just lay with your spine on the foam roller. Try to keep your body perfectly straight. And then instead of letting your shoulders roll forward, keep your shoulders back, keep your chest up, and actually just relax, letting your hands fall towards the ground. You feel a really good chest stretch. So you don't have to do this on a foam roller. It's really simple and easy if you have one. You can find any type of surface to put your upper back on and kind of lay down on. You can do it on a bed, a small couch, anything like that. You'll notice the higher up you are, the more stretch you'll feel. You just want to make sure to keep your shoulders back so you can feel a nice stretch to the front of your chest. So I hope all of those helped.